Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error. Let's begin. First, open Start and search CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and run as administrator. Type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Close it. Next, open Control Panel, set View By to Large Icons, open Network and Sharing Center, click Change Adapter Settings, right-click Wi-Fi and open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, choose Use the following DNS and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Save and close. Now search Windows Defender Firewall, open it, click Allow an app through Firewall, click Change Settings, find Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher and tick Private and Public. If you see Java or Java WA, tick both too. Click OK and restart Minecraft. So this is how you can fix Minecraft connection timed out error. And that is it for this video. Thanks.